Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install Drupal CMS on Rocky Linux 9.2. Drupal is a free and open source content management system CMS written in PHP that provides a powerful platform for building a variety of websites from personal blog to enterprise applications. Drupal is well known for its flexibility, scalability, and extensibility, making it a popular choice for developers and organizations seeking a robust web content management solution. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. Now I am using Rocky Linux 9.2. Next I am going to check the PHP version by using the following command because Drupal CMS works on PHP 8.2 version. Our PHP version is 8.0.30, so we need to upgrade the PHP version to 8.2. For that, first we need to enable Apple and Remy repository by using the following command. It is recommended to enable the CRB repository because many Apple packages request the code ready builder CRB repository. Next I am going to install Apple release package by using the following command. Our Apple release package has been installed. Next I am going to install Remy repository by using the following command. Press Y and hit enter to continue. Next I am going to update the system by using the following command. Next I am going to list the PHP modules by using the following command. Now we can see Remy 8.2 PHP module here. Next I am going to install mutils by using the following command. Now I am going to enable the module before installing PHP 8.2 version. Module has been enabled. Now I am going to install PHP under the dependency module by using the following command. Press Y and hit enter to continue. Again press Y to continue. Here also press Y to continue. Our PHP has been installed successfully. Now I am going to check the PHP version by using the following command. Now we can see our PHP version is upgraded to 8.2 version. Next I am going to install Apache Web Server by using the following command. Our Apache Web Server has been installed successfully. Next I am going to enable and start the Apache Web Server by using the following command. Now I am going to check the status of Apache Web Server by using the following command. Our Apache Web Server is in active and running state. Next I am going to install MariaDB by using the following command. Press Y and hit enter to continue. Our MariaDB service has been installed successfully. Next I am going to enable and start the MariaDB service by using the following command. Now I am going to check the status of MariaDB by using the following command. MariaDB is in active and running state. Next I am going to log in MariaDB console by using the following command. Here I am going to create database by using the following command. Database has been created. Next I am going to create user along with the password by using the following command. User has been created. Now I am going to grant all privileges for the user to access the database by using the following command. Now all privileges has been granted. Next I am going to flush the privileges to apply all changes. Now I am going to exit from the MariaDB console. Now I am going to increase memory size in php.ini file by using the following command. Here search memory limit. Here I am going to change the memory limit. After that, save and exit from the file. Now I am going to download Drupal package by using the wget command. Drupal package has been downloaded successfully. Now we can view the package by long listing the files. This is the downloaded Drupal package. Next I am going to extract the downloaded package by using the tar command. Drupal package has been extracted. Now I am going to move the extracted folder to the Apache document root directory by using the following command. Now I am going to change the ownership of the folder by using the following command. Next I am going to change the permission of the folder by using the following command. Now I am going to create a virtual host file by using the following command. Press I to insert mode. Add the following links here. This is the server name. This is the Drupal document root directory. Now save and exit from the file. Now I am going to check the syntax of Apache by using the following command. It shows our syntax is OK. Next I am going to temporarily disable the SNNX by using the following command. To apply all changes, we need to restart Apache service by using the following command. Apache service has been restarted. Now go to a browser and ping our server IP address. Now we can see the Drupal installation page. Here we need to choose language and give save and continue. Here we need to select installation method. I am move on with standard installation and give save and continue. Press save and continue here. Here we need to enter site details. I am giving Linux Help as site name. Here we need to enter mail address. Enter username here. Enter the user password here. Here select the country. After completing, give save and continue. Now we can see the welcome page of Drupal CMS. By this way you can install Drupal CMS on Rocky Linux 9.2.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.